All right, this is Scott Johnson. Welcome back. This is video 3 on creating your digital business card. Today we're going to talk about inserting your image or your other content, your call to action. And we're going to start by simply scrolling down. This is where we left off in the last video. We can get out of this section by simply scrolling down to the very bottom and clicking OK. And what that'll do is it'll open up all these different choices that you can place over in this area here. So you've got your digital business card. It's another section like this over there. A customer form, we'll do that later. A headline, a large image. You can go down here and select an image, which I will, a video, which I will do here eventually. But here I'm going to go ahead, for example's sake, we're going to drag this right over here, this large image, and then we're going to talk about images. So here's very, I'm really impressed by this section here. You can select your add image. There's several sections. Those are my images. These are images you uploaded in the past that are already available. There's an image editor, okay, which you can select and bring an image in and do some things with it. There's an image search. That's Pixabay. That's a third-party provider of free images. Image library. These are images that are provided by NOWSITE. And you can drop down the menu here and select the category. All right, so I already loaded an image, but let's say for sakes, I want to load a new one. It's drop images or upload. I'm going to select it. Let's just give an example here. This wow. I'm going to select it. And it's going to load it in to the system right here. And for me to select that image, I got to click it and then down here, edit image. You know, I don't want to put this image in. I want to use a different image. So I'm going to select a different image. I'm going to go back to my images. I'm going to delete that out of the system. And then right here is a luxury stay offer because I want to get people to act on my and fill out the form and give me their information. So add, select add. And it comes up. All right. Now, this is a 3-night luxury hotel vacation that you can offer people, that I can offer people for simply doing this. And I can offer as many of these as I want. And it's not a timeshare or anything like that. It's actually a legitimate offer. If you're interested in being able to do this kind of thing, offer vacations to Cancun, discount cards and different things. And these are powerful way incentivize your websites and your business to be able to create, you can increase your business up to 60% or more. So here I'm on this, I'm going to offer this 3-night vacation if they fill out the form. So I'm going to put a call to action above this. So I'm not going to put it here because if I put it here, it'll put it on top of the image. I'm not going to put information under the subtitle because it'll do the same. So I'm going to click out of here by going to the very bottom, and I don't want a link. I could have a link where it takes them somewhere, but I don't. I want them to fill out a form. So I'm going to click OK here, and then I'm going to go here. I'm going to look for headline, and I'm going to drag this headline, and I'm going to drop it right there. And then I'm going to paste it in. I'm not going to paste it in on the headline section. I use the AI here by clicking and asking, telling it what I wanted. I want to create an offer for a subline heading about creating a call to action to a 3-night, 4-day vacation. And then I clicked it and it created the following. Okay, so I'm going to put that up there. That's way too big, so I'm going to undo that. I could change the size of it, obviously, in another setting, but I wanted something like that. Act now. Okay, and I might want to make it a little smaller, so I'm going to go down to subheading. I'm going to drop this down to maybe a 22. You can change the color here if you want. And so you can play with these and go down here, change the color. You could make it a red and boldface it. There we go. Like that. That looks nice. And that really catches people's attention, okay? And I'm just kind of going through this very quickly, showing you what I'm doing next, how I'm building it out. And then I put a form. And looks like we're out of time. So on the next video, video 4, we will talk about placing your form. Okay? We'll see you later. Bye for now.